Hello, students, and welcome to Nursing 1003 Essentials in Nursing. My name is Professor Jalaga, and I am doing a brief introduction to this fully online course. I understand that students may have a wide range of backgrounds in their comfort level of a totally online course, so I thought I would talk about just what to expect. First, I want to welcome you to nursing school. I hope you enjoy your journey to becoming a nurse. I myself have been a nurse for 25 years and I absolutely love it. And the goal of this course is going to take you from being a safe nurse to being a great nurse. What this course is going to help you do is truly look at what it means to be a good nurse, right? So we know it's important that you have to have great critical thinking skills, and we need you to know about pathophysiology and pharmacology. But we also want our nurses to be caring, compassionate people and lead change for healthcare. You'll have a wide range of options in careers once you graduate, and we want to talk about some of those things, such as racial inequalities, their impact on health, social determinants of health, trauma-informed care. All of these things are some things we will talk about in this course. It's an online course, so what do you do for assignments? How do you get points? So with the online courses, we're not face-to-face. We have to change how we do our assignments. So you're going to see, or you're going to maybe have to create some videos. There may be some discussion boards, maybe some online quizzes and simulations. So even though that we are online, we still will be able to evaluate you and have you apply your learning. So as you enter into Canvas, Canvas is our learning management system. First of all, I'm going to want you to start in the module that says start here. It's going to be a big blue tab on the front page of your course in Canvas. So start here, and it's going to walk you through things such as the syllabus. Please do read through the entire syllabus. This is where you are going to find your weekly prep work and your assignments. It'll walk you through module 1, 2, 3. We'll talk about those. And it will give you your homework or prep work, so to speak, and your readings and such that you need to do, your due dates and any grading rubrics. And again, the grading rubrics are a guideline as to what to include in each assignment to get full points. Those are listed. And one of the most important things that I have students do for an online course is really make sure we're getting organized early. Just because it's online, please don't put this in the back of your mind. It is still a very important course, and you do need to be mindful of due dates. So we want you to stay organized. I know this is going to be a learning experience. I am here for you. And as we move through, if there are any questions, I will give my contact information in that syllabus. However, start with that big blue tab that says start here, and it is going to walk you through what you need to know for this course. All right, I look forward to learning all about you, and I will be checking back with video updates. Good luck.